1 week into our
diet. The carb cycle.
That's the one. 1 week into our carb cycle plan, and I can't even remember what I was going to say. This is what happens when you reduce your carbs too much. So we are 1 week into our carb cycle plan, but the big question is, have we lost any weight?
Witamy w kolejnym filmiku. Mam na imię Natalia. Może kilkoro z Was mnie rozpoznaje, albo i nie. Zapewne znacie Harego z jego kanału na YouTubie. W dzisiejszym filmiku porozmawiamy sobie o naszym przygotowaniu sylwetki do wakacji, czyli o tak zwanym carb cycle diet. Yeah?
Yeah?
Definitely.
Yeah? So there you go. Her name is Natalia, my name is Harry, and welcome back to another video. If you are new to the channel, I'm English. She's not Russian, she's Polish. And I'll be honest, I haven't got a clue what she's just said there. What did you say there, by the way?
My name's Natalia. Obviously, maybe some of the people recognize me or not. Your name is Harry, and obviously everybody knows you from your YouTube channel. And we'll talk about carb cycle.
There you have it then, because obviously I speak fluent Polish. I'll prove it to you. Natalia, wesołych świąt.
You know what I should say? I can't say that in front of the camera because I'm gonna swear. Kocham cię.
Kocham cię. Anyway guys, let's get back to the video. Okay, so Natalia, when you stop pausing. So the big question is, we started this carb cycle plan 1 week ago. Hello? Right, we started this carb cycle plan 1 week ago. Now, obviously, people watching this video want to know, is this carb cycle plan working? Because you are a nightmare for getting on the scales every day and moaning and complaining that you've never lost any weight. So, can you tell people watching this video, with this carb cycle plan that we've been following, have you lost any weight this week?
Yes, 600 grams.
600 grams.
My weight was 61.1, and now after 1 week is 60.5 in the last 2 days.
Okay.
The average is half kilo less, so.
And this has happened from just literally following my simple carb cycling plan.
Yeah, basically, I started to listen to
Yeah.
you, so.
Okay, so for me, my starting weight was
83.5, and it's 82.4.
Obviously, I'll put this on the screen as well so you can see what the weight loss was. And that is in 6 days. So we both lost weight in 6 days. Now, what we've got to understand is a lot of that weight isn't just body fat. It's muscle glycogen and water being depleted. So other than the diet, you've been sticking to a vigorous training plan, haven't you?
Yes.
And that is what we're going to be doing today. You can see we are in the studio where I work. And we're basically going to be doing a leg and shoulder circuit. And Natalia is going to do a little demonstration on each exercise to show you what we're going to be doing. Because the thing is, a lot of people watch these videos and go, okay, so you're doing a diet, you're doing a carb cycle plan, you're losing weight, fantastic. But what exercises are you doing? And that's what we're going to do today. We're going to do a little cool training session. We're going to stick it on video. I can't think what to say now. So would you demonstrate some of these exercises? Yeah. Awesome. Let's get to it. Okay, so not only are we focusing on the diet, but we also need to focus on the training. Now, we do follow a split training routine in the gym each week, but every Sunday, we let you get in the studio, as you can see, and do some circuit training. So the day's circuit is basically going to be a shoulder and leg circuit. The first exercise is going to be step-ups. Natalia, just do a little quick demonstration and get that booty worked. So we're going to do 15 steps each leg, also using a kettlebell for extra resistance, and that is going to get us working cardiovascularly nicely. Okay, so next exercise will be a shoulder exercise, so we're doing a shoulder press. So we'll go from the steps to doing a barbell shoulder press. Very nicely executed, Natalia, well done. So from the shoulder press, we're then going to move into a leg exercise. We're going to do some squats. and nice simple squats, because you know these days it's all about the booty. Well done. Okay, so from the squats we're then going to move into a shoulder exercise, lateral raises, and you know, you've always had really good nice delts, especially when you're competing. So this is going to be the next exercise, nice and simple. Okay, so the next exercise is going to be kettlebell lunges, again into a next leg exercise. Now lunges are one of my personal favorite exercises for glutes. You know, squats, deadlifts, fantastic, but I absolutely love how a nice deep lunge feels on your legs. So next shoulder exercise is going to be a kettlebell upright row, and again you can see shoulders working nicely. And again we're just going to be keeping the reps high, around about 15, and we're going to repeat this about 2-3 times, pushing the reps to 20, 25 and so on. And then our next leg exercise is going to be one of Natalia's personal favorites, which is a sumo deadlift. Yep, fantastic. Sumo deadlifts, great for working the glutes, great for overall leg development. Absolutely brilliant. Again, 15 reps on the first round, 20 reps second round, 25 on the third round. Well done. And then at the end of the circuit, we are going to do a good old-fashioned Russian twist. In Natalia, you're not Russian, you're Polish. So we're going to call it a Polish twist. And this is a great exercise for working your obliques. We'll also be doing some crunches and some leg raises on the second and third round of this circuit. Awesome. Well, that is me absolutely knackered and sweating. Anyway, so that was 3 rounds of circuit training, 15 reps first round, 20 reps second round. Obviously Natalia is knackered from that training session. Are you okay, babes?
Yes.
Why are you not sweating and looking out of breath like me?
Because you record 10 minutes after.
Can't say that on camera, man. People think we're cheating. So anyway, how did you find that session?
Really
Do you feel, so anyway, by the way, this is the current condition, not super ripped. I'm talking about myself, not you. But this is how we both look today. And watch the transformation, because as the weeks go by, this is going to become razor sharp. Natalia is also going to become a lot more leaner, and we're basically going to just let you guys follow our journey, track our progress, and watch this space in 4 weeks' time when we upload a progress video. You're going to be like, geez, they've really changed their physiques. And hopefully you guys can join us as well. What do you think about that, Natalia? Are you happy with the diet?
Definitely.
Are you happy with the training?
100%.
Are you happy with me?
Yeah, of course.
Is there anything you'd like to say in Polish to your Polish fans? Because remember, this is our YouTube channel.
Right, I'm gonna say more than last time. Oglądajcie, w sumie już nas, na kanale Harego. Będzie więcej tematów związanych z fitnessem oczywiście i z treningiem i z dietą. Tak więc zapraszamy do subskrypcji. Kto jeszcze nie zasubskrybował kanału Harego, zapraszamy. You see, I can't speak that fast like you.
Well, I don't speak Polish, so that's a bonus. I can't speak anything. I think what Natalia was trying to say there is,
subscribe your channel. Yeah.
Basically, subscribe to the YouTube channel. You know where the like button is, that side, I've no idea. Hit the subscribe button if you like these videos, follow us, check us out on YouTube. Follow us on TikTok, because my TikTok is getting bigger by the week, because I just basically do lots of pranks on Natalia, and because she's Polish and doesn't really understand English, it's like so funny.
At least I've got distance to myself, so I'm okay with that.
Okay, on that note, do widzenia, take care, stay safe, train hard, and good luck with your diet and good luck with the training. Do widzenia. Bye.